Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate steering linearity. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next go to controls, vibration and force feedback. Go to keyboard preset, edit it, calibration and find steering linearity. Adjust it on this slider between 0 and 100. Adjust the amount of difference in the sensitivity between a center point and the remainder of wheel rotation. High linearity value will make the center point far less sensitive than the far left and far right extents of rotation. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.